We've been getting lots of requests for a Class D amplifier circuit. It has finally arrived, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the package, there are 3 different SMT circuit boards, all packed securely for protection. Let's take them out one by one. The last board is the one we need, so we'll carefully cut it free with scissors. The cut is done, and now let's pull it out. Here it is, the Class D amplifier circuit board, finally ready for a closer look. Take a closer look at the board. It's packed with tiny SMT components, including compact capacitors that handle important tasks. In the center, there's a heat sink for cooling, and the overall assembly is clean, precise, and professionally finished. Now let's identify the connectors. These terminal blocks are for the battery wires. Right beside them, you'll connect the Bluetooth module. The 2 terminals at the top are dedicated to the left and right speaker connections. The first step is installing the Bluetooth module. It comes with battery power wires and a 3-pin connector. Make sure the pins are connected securely. This is how the audio signal will be transmitted. Match the connector with the 3-pin header on the circuit board, making sure the orientation is correct, then plug it in firmly. Now the module is connected and ready for the next step. Next, we'll install the wire terminal blocks. One by one, align each terminal with its correct position on the circuit board and fit it carefully. Once all 3 terminal blocks are in place, the board is not ready for the wiring connections. The soldering still needs to be completed first. We can't start the wiring yet. When soldering, make sure every joint is strong and secure. Every circuit file we create takes a lot of time, effort, and engineering experience. Our team uses professional PCB design software, and most of these tools are expensive and require paid licenses. Thanks to our experience, we can create accurate Gerber files efficiently. If you need these files or want to learn more about electronics, let us know in the comments. We'd love to help more people build their electronics skills. The board is now fully prepared, and the only step left is wiring. We have 2 speakers ready to connect. Insert each speaker wire into its matching terminal block, then tighten the screws with a screwdriver to hold the wires firmly in place. Both speaker connections are now secure. Now connect the second wire to the terminal block and tighten the screws with a screwdriver to secure the connection firmly. Both speaker wires are now connected. Now let's connect the battery. This circuit supports an input voltage from 12 volts to 21 volts, and we're using a 21 volts battery. As soon as the power wires are connected, the blue LED lights up, confirming the connection is correct. Finally, tighten the terminal screws. Use screwdriver securely to prevent any loose connections. Next, install the 3 volts battery into the Bluetooth module. Once it's connected, the module powers up and is ready to pair with your device. Everything is now set, so don't forget to leave a like if you're enjoying the build. Everything is connected. Now let's pair the phone via Bluetooth and play some music. To test the sound, let's place a few thermocol balls on the speakers and watch them vibrate with the music. The circuit is working perfectly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to hit the like button. A big thank you to everyone who suggested this build in the comments. Keep sharing your ideas because your request could be our next project. Until then, take care and goodbye, engineers.